Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring a daily market bias video for Wednesday, January 13th. It's approximately 6:20 a.m. on the East Coast. And if we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia trading mixed, if you will, with half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. Currently right now in Europe, well, up until a little while ago, we've seen the exact same phenomena whereby half the exchanges were higher, the other half are trading lower. Now it appears as though the exchanges in Europe are starting to gravitate more to the upside. However, that's fractional at this point, as you could obviously see. The only thing that's trading lower right now is the German DAX. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average will point to a lower open. Gold is trading higher, as is crude oil. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have a bit, if you will, a bit more than we've seen in recent days. At 8:30 a.m. we have CPI, core CPI. At 10:30 a.m. we have crude oil inventories, which is typical, usual, and customary for a Wednesday. At 1 o'clock this afternoon we have an FOMC member speaking. And also, right around the same time, we have the 30-year bond auction taking place. At 2 p.m. this afternoon we have the Fed Beige Book and also the federal budget balance. At 3 p.m. this afternoon we have another FOMC member speaking. So we've got a bit more on the docket in terms of economic news than we've seen in the last couple of days. All this being said, our bias is neutral. Now, some may be saying, well, why would you suggest a neutral bias when in fact the indices themselves are pointing to a low open? Well, the reason for that is very simply this. We have a scenario or a situation whereby everything that we use or track for market correlation purposes is trading to the upside. The US dollar is trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. Gold is trading higher. Crude oil is trading higher. Whenever you have a situation where everything is trading higher, or conversely everything is trading lower, you do not have correlation, which means the market doesn't really have a good sense of itself. Hence, the bias is neutral, which means the markets could go anywhere today. And in fact, we're seeing that right now with the indices. Right now, the NASDAQ is starting to turn positive, whereby the S&P and the Dow are still in negative territory. So it doesn't necessarily have a very good sense of itself. Hence, the bias is neutral, which means it could go anywhere. Something to be mindful of trading today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.